I've changed everything in the past year on the Comanche. Everything but the fuel pump.
Cranking, no start.
So when Shiloh's Jeep wouldn't start, we started going through everything. We ended up finding that the fuel pump was not working, but we were getting noise from it.
Well, it is
Newer than when we replaced it.
What I ended up doing was grabbing a battery from one of my power tools in the Jeep, and I cut some of the speaker wire from my Jeep, and we were jumping it to get it to free up.
We came in.
So Cory did a MacGyver, got my fuel pump going, and we hightailed it out of there.